Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host today. Are you ready for an electrifying update on the rapidly growing world of electric vehicles? Well, get ready to have your batteries drained, not because they're running out of power, but because of a new concern that's taking the industry by storm. In 2025, expect an ultra-fast charging explosion year as technology advances at a breakneck pace. While this is great news for consumers who want to hit the road with their electric vehicles, it also raises some worrying questions about battery health and durability. ElectroDrive News has dug deep into this story, and what we found will make you think twice before plugging in. According to recent research from Tsinghua University, batteries that use ultra-fast charging above 120 kW can see a 40% reduction in their life cycle compared to slow charging. That's like accelerating your car's aging process. Online transport drivers are already reporting concerns about the impact of fast charging on their vehicle's battery health. The good news is that experts are advising owners to limit ultra-fast charging to less than 40% of their total charging sessions and prioritize slow charging if time allows. But what happens when you need to charge your car quickly? That's where things get tricky. Charging a battery when it's below 10 or above 90% can cause greater damage. Now, let's talk numbers. In China, there are regulations requiring car manufacturers to provide a minimum guarantee of 8 years or 120,000 kilometers for core components like batteries. Sounds great, right? However, the practical implementation of this warranty can be complicated, and some policies exclude vehicles that use ultra-fast charging exceeding certain frequencies. As an owner of an electric vehicle, you need to know what's at stake. The cost of battery replacement can reach half the price of new vehicles or even exceed the value of the rest of the car. That's a tough choice between changing batteries or the entire car. ElectroDrive News is here to keep you informed and up to date on all things electric. So, there you have it, the not-so-secret behind ultra-fast charging. It's time to plug in responsibly and make sure your battery lives long enough to see you through your next road trip. Stay charged with ElectroDrive News, and we'll be back with more news from the world of electric vehicles.